Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 14 of my Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. It's 24 days of Secret Santa swap. I will leave the link to the other ladies participating in my description box below. You can also watch further playlists at the end of this video. If you've followed this channel for a while, you know I participated in this last year. I will leave the playlist here if you have not been able to check it out. I have been recycling some of the packaging that I did receive from that swap. Thank you, Tracy. She's TYS Creates here on YouTube. And so for day number 14, I'm just sharing some chocolates with my swap partner. So head on over to her channel to go watch her unboxing. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.